Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all liked songs on Spotify. So to delete all songs, what you have to do is, first of all, go to the spotify.com on your web browser, on your PC or on your phone. Now you will land on dashboard. Now you will see your library on the left side. Click on the liked songs. And then you will be able to see all of the liked songs, all of the songs that you have liked in past. So to delete all of the songs from liked songs history, so what you have to do is simply hit the shift key on your keyboard and select any song. I will hold the shift key, select the song, and I will release the shift key and I will scroll down all the way to the last song on the bottom, and again hold the shift key and left click with my mouse. This way I will be able to select all of the songs in a single click. So once I have selected all of the songs, what I have to do is right click any of the empty space, and then you will be able to see an option called removed from your liked songs. Once I select this option, then all of the songs that I have selected will be removed from my liked songs library. So that's how you can delete all liked songs on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.